Are you using digital?
Huh?
Are you using digital? Or Nikon? Are you using a digital Nikon?
Yeah.
On both of them?
That's an SLR. That's a D70.
Really?
Yeah, and this is a D.
What do you do
3100.
when you have an FS2 on the Nikon and they're not digital? What do you do with that camera? Is there any market? Is there anyone interested in this stuff?
You could look up on eBay and see if there's any there and what they're selling for. Sometimes there's some collectors out there that take the old like 35 millimeter.
Yeah, that's what I have, the FS
Right.
and FS2.
Right. Yeah, that's, you can always just look it up and see what they're going for.
No, I was just curious. Was
Yeah.
there any market for them?
Nah.
No.
Other than collectors, probably not.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I guess you heard that conversation. Lady has an old 35 millimeter Nikon. I was just wondering if there was any market for it. There's probably collectors out there, but none that I know of. And I will warn you now, the waves are huge, and the wind may be picked up, obviously, because the waves are huge. So basically that means stay on the trail. And they'll probably limit those over time to a couple main trails versus all these side trails that go all through the woods. My objective today is to walk up the beach. So that's what we're gonna do. I have my chair with me. Just gonna sit down and relax. Water looks dirty. I don't know how well I'm gonna protect you from the wind. If it's coming from behind us, it's fine while we're walking up. Let's see. We're just north of the last beach that we metal detected. So if these videos go up in order, that'd be what you just saw. That's the beach down one beach north of Sharktooth Beach. Oh man, looks like we have a ton of turtle nests. So, alright. I got you on the mono pad today. I have my D70 camera, picture taking camera. Just free handheld. I didn't bring anything for it. So, as you can see, there's not very many people here today. I think the one guy's standing on the way out there. That's what it looks like. That or he's sitting on something that's holding him up. Wow. I don't know. Not my cup of tea to be out there. But, so we're going to walk up the beach for a while. I'll turn you back on a little bit. Take note of how close these people are, because when I turn you on, we may not be able to see them. There is a couple people up this way, but nobody. It don't look like after I get so far, there's nobody. But we'll see. I'm gonna watch a wave come in. smells a little bit. You can hear that thump, thump. That's the yeah, whatever, strap banging against the monopod. Hopefully we saw that. I don't know what you can see and what you can't see. I won't know until I go to label it. Alright, you've watched the waves long enough. Let's walk. Come on.